Okay, so we're going to create an array. It's going to have, here we're going to declare it, friends3 as string, just like before. And then we're going to fill in the first element is going to be Fred, the second element is going to be Betty, the third is Barney, and the third is Dino. So, again, we have to name them like this, even though the fourth element is Dino. We write it like this because we started counting from 0. Okay? Now once we have this array, once we've filled in the values for this array, and the word that they usually use is they call it populating the array. It just means filling in the values for the array. So populating the, once we've populated our array, which he called friends, actually he makes a mistake and calls it my friends here, but he only calls it friends here. Just a little bit of an error right there. But anyway, once we define our array here, declare our array rather, and we say it's going to have 4 spaces, and it's going to contain strings, and then we actually fill it in. Then what we can do is, remember we've used list boxes before, so we're going to create a list box like this, and we're going to call it listbox1. I don't think he changes the name. Oh, sorry, he does. He changes the name to LST friends. And then he sets the integral height value to false and the anchor value to this so that it looks nice. And the name of a button, he puts a button there. Let's go. And what he wants to happen is, when he clicks go, he wants to read all of the values from the array and put them into this list box. So remember, there are 4 different names in the array, 4 different friends in the array. And so what he wants to do is, he uses, and this should be familiar, lstfriends.items.add. So that's how we add an item to the list box. So the first thing we're going to add is what? Friend 0. But what was friend 0? What does that result in, or resolve to? What does that become? What does that resolve to? It resolves to friend. And next, then we're going to do the same statement again, but we're going to have friends 2 there. And what does friends 2 resolve to? Betty. So we will have added Betty, and then Barney and Dino. Okay? So in this way, we can display the elements of the array like this.